Hey everyone, welcome back to the Stoner Car Care YouTube channel. Today we're talking about Little Joe's. Stick along with us while we cover that. If you haven't heard of Little Joe is actually our air freshener brand here at Stoner Car Care. And unlike the Stoner Car Care products that are all made right here in Pennsylvania in the United States, Little Joe's are actually made in Milan, Italy. And there's good reason for that. If you're not familiar with Milan, Italy, or you're not a fragrance aficionado, Milan, Italy is a hub for fragrances and high-end fragrances. So in that town, you have companies like Armani, Dolce & Gabbana, Versace, Gucci. These are where all of those companies go to get the best fragrances in the world, and they manufacture Little Joe's there for that reason. If you're like me, when I started here at Stoner, the way I got an air freshener, you just go to the store, you find one that smells good, you throw it in your car. There's actually a really big difference between premium air fresheners and just ones that are made to be a cheap air freshener that you replace often. But Little Joe's a premium air freshener that's certified to last up to 45 days. And how they do that is the scent is actually infused all throughout this polymer of Little Joe. So if you think about like your car dashboard, you get a brand new car, it off-gasses. And like usually that leaves like that film on the windshield that people talk about off-gassing in a negative way. Well, that's just a natural part of plastics aging. They will just release as they age. Well, we took that technology and used it for good into a Little Joe. If you infuse that scent all throughout the polymer, as this Little Joe ages, it's going to consistently release scent. Well, the nice part about that is the outer layer of this has a scent on it, as is every layer throughout it. So when you open this up, it's not that super strong, overpowering scent that you're used to when you have like one of those cheaper air fresheners. You crack it open and you open the packaging halfway just so you're not getting the full scent at one time. Well, with the Little Joe, you open it up the whole way, you stick the sucker in your vent, and it smells the same way for 45 days. We guarantee that. To be honest with you, they go a lot longer than 45 days. It's just, you gotta spend money for every single day that you're certifying these for. So 45 days seem pretty sufficient that Little Joe is gonna be holding that scent for the entire time, like the first day you open that package. So you take the best fragrances in the world out of Milan, combine that with that excellence of Italian manufacturing, put that into the polymer science of releasing that scent, and you come up with a premium air freshener like Little Joe. As you can see here, we have over 20 different scents here, or combos of scents with Little Joe versus Little Pups. I mean, one thing we realized is that little guy smiling back at you with that big thumbs up made a lot of people happy. So we're like, well, what else makes people happy? Well, if you're anything like my wife, you probably like your dog more than most people. So we made a little pup, the balloon animal pup here. And then we even have ones that we made a little pup, another design where it's like more of a pup sitting down looking back at you. Let us know down in the comments below, which pup design do you like better, the balloon pup or the sitting pup? And it's funny, you start out with just the scents that people like we have vanilla, black velvet, new car, cherry, the popular ones. And then as people are using these things more and more and we get feedback back from our customers, people are like, you know what, I started out with the cherry and then I bought a vanilla. I actually have them both going in the vent. And then we started coming up with all these combo scents. And people were like, I like mixing like cherry and vanilla together. So we realized like there's a whole secret menu item list of Little Joe mix and match scents, like combining a cherry in one vent, a vanilla in the other one. You get like a vanilla cherry combo, or another one we thought was super popular. People taking the black velvet in the new car. They're some of our most popular ones. And just because they end up trying both of them at a different time, but the scent lasting longer than the 45 days, they smell both of them and they're like, man, that actually mixes together really well to make a whole new scent. A final one these are some of our newer Little Joes that came out just this past year. We have a pina colada and orange creamsicle. People have been mixing those two together. It makes a heck of a combo. So if you've tried Little Joes and you have a scent you like, it might be worth trying another scent, mixing them up and creating a whole new scent, have that creativity aspect of like, you mix vanilla with a lot of these different ones, or be able to combine two of your favorite scents to make a whole new custom scent for your vehicle. When people get in your car, you're like, that reminds me of Brett. That smells like Brett's car. Or it's funny how those scents tie into an experience. So if you're like, I don't want my car to smell like anybody else, mix two of them up, make a custom scent for your car that you love. One last advantage of having these Little Joes is, I'm not sure if you've ever had one of those like liquid air fresheners that, I know I've had one in my car back in the day, and if you've ever had like a really hot day, or maybe it's fallen between the seats and you punctured that and then you get that liquid staining all over your car. We've seen some nightmare stories. The nice part with this Little Joe is it's not a liquid fragrance that's messy or gonna get everywhere, or it's gonna leave a film in your air vents or anything like that. It's all contained in one little polymer blend here that makes it nice and clean. You get the scent when you need it. You don't want it anywhere else. So that's one of our favorite things about having this nice, convenient packaging Little Joe. So we have over 20 different variations of Little Joe, Little Joya, Little Pups, all in our Power Wing display here. So we call this. If you're a distributor and you would like a display for one of these, reach out to us. We'd be happy to give you a premium way of displaying your premium air fresheners. So let us know in the comments down below, what's your favorite Little Joe scent? What's your favorite combo scent? Is there something we should be coming out with next? Where's your favorite unique place to be using a Joe? Because it started out just using these events, but now we have people throwing them in their gym bag. We have people throw them in all kinds of unique places. And Harrison, our blog writer, actually has a blog written of all these unique places to put that convenient Little Joe in to make it smell better. So check that out in the description below. Thanks for joining us in this one. We'll see you in the next one.